Hello friends, this is the Westcoast Math Tutor. In the last video we made two examples on how to convert from degrees to radians and back. Today we are going to do 6 more examples for the sake of practice. I really encourage you to pause the video after each example and try the problem on your own. Let's dive right into it. What are 80 degrees in radians? Recall that 360 degrees is 2 pi. The steps for solving these kinds of problems are always the same. First, we find out what 1 degree in radians is, and then we multiply that by 80 to find out what 80 degrees in radians is. So to go from 360 to 1, we divide by 360, right? Now we do the same with 2 pi. 2 pi divided by 360 is approximately 0.01745. You can leave the exact value of 0.01745 without rounding in the calculator and then multiply that by 80, which is approximately 1.4. So 80 degrees is equivalent to approximately 1.4 radians, and we're done with this problem. What about 120 degrees? How can we convert this to radians? Again, we divide 2 pi by 360, which is approximately 0.01745. And 0.01745 times 120 is approximately 2.1. So 120 degrees is equivalent to approximately 2.1 radians. Let's try 350 degrees. Two pi divided by 360 is approximately 0.01745. And 0.01745 times 350 is approximately 6.1. So 350 degrees is approximately 6.1 radians, and we're done with this problem. Let's do the opposite and convert from radians to degrees. Let's say we have 3 radians. How can we convert this to degrees? In the previous examples, when converting from degrees to radians, we first calculated what 1 degree is. In this and the following 2 examples, we are going to calculate what 1 radian is. We know that 2 pi is equivalent to 360 degrees. Now, how can we go from 2 pi to 1? We just divide 2 pi by 2 pi, which is 1. So we also have to divide 360 by 2 pi, which is approximately 57.3. By the way, when typing this into the calculator, you have to put a parenthesis around 2 pi. Because if you don't do that, the calculator follows the order of operations, which is from left to right, and divides first 360 by 2, and then multiplies that result by pi, which is not what we want. Now we multiply 57.3 by 3, which is approximately 172. So 3 radians is approximately equivalent to 172 degrees, and we're done with this problem. Let's do another example. What are 7 radians in degrees? Again, we divide 360 by 2 pi, which is approximately 57.3. And then we multiply 57.3 by 7, which is approximately 401. So 7 radians is equivalent to approximately 401 degrees. What is 10 radians in degrees? 360 divided by 2 pi is approximately 57.3. And 57.3 times 10 is 573. So 10 radians is approximately 573 degrees. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.